Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to look at the correction for the dictation. It's an old school activity, but it's very good for copying and taking notes. Therefore, you can look at your spelling because English has one thing, and that is it doesn't sound the same as we write it. So you've got to memorize words sometimes. So here's the correction. So here is the correction for lesson 11, which was the dictation. Now what you can do is you can just pause it, pause the text now, pause the video, correct your text, and then we will get on to the rest of the lesson, which is just a quick recommendation. So pause it now, correct your text, write down all your mistakes, and then carry on. Hope you enjoyed the correction. Hope you didn't make too many mistakes. And if you did, write them down on a list and then memorize them. Very good exercise as well. Another thing, that article or that short text was taken from a book called ROSÉ, Understanding the Pink Revolution. All right. It's taken from Elizabeth Gabay, Master of Wine. Very good book. And hopefully you may want to buy it because I well recommend it. Hope you enjoyed the exercise and the recommendation. I will see you next week with another fun activity. Don't forget, learning by doing, very important. Not just listening. We have to be active. See you later, family.